to 118 Valleywood Boulevard in this beautiful executive community of Valleywood in Caledon, Ontario. This home is a big house at a small price. This home has fantastic bones and is in great shape. And with a little decor and cosmetic touches, the buyer of this home stands to gain immense sweat equity. This 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home is located in the luxury executive neighborhood of Valleywood in Caledon, Ontario. Valleywood Boulevard is actually the off-ramp, so forget local traffic issues. You can pull into your home right off the highway. Looking over the Lena Marino Park, Valleywood's main park for sports and activities, 118 Valleywood Boulevard happens to be one of the largest model homes in the entire subdivision, at nearly 4,000 square feet in the top 2 floors. Sometimes you only get one chance to take your shot, so make sure you don't miss. There are countless reasons why this home won't last long, but you already know this if you have seen any of our past videos. So don't miss your chance to score this home. Contact us today to see what a win this really is.